today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to add money into your pocket option right now. Due to inflation and so many other things and cost of mining, the Bitcoin network fees and transfer fee is becoming extremely high, and so many services are increasing the minimum amount you can deposit into their website or their app. And in this case, for pocket option, let's see the minimum amount you can deposit by Bitcoin. So I clicked on top up right here and it's taking us to the deposit page. Now click on Bitcoin. The problem is not you not being able to deposit $50, but the problem right here is when you're about depositing this money and you get into your wallet or your Bitcoin app, then you realize the transfer fee can go from anywhere between $10 to $20 something. To avoid this problem and to avoid wasting a lot of money on Bitcoin network transfer fees, I have actually come to the conclusion that I will use USDT, that is Theta USD, or Litecoin for most of my transactions on the internet. I'll click Litecoin. It's easier to use on pocket option. Theta is a bit complicated. You need to go to a third-party website where you will then put in your details and all that. So I'll rather just use Litecoin any day, anytime. So now I've put in the amount, which is $50, and I'll click continue. I'll just click on the address part where I can easily just scan this QR code you're seeing right now. That is done, and the wallet address is in my app. Then the network is LTC, and I'll just punch in the amounts 0.3251468. But because in Binance the network transfer fee for Litecoin is $1, and that is the fun part and the most interesting thing about using Litecoin for your transactions, I'll just edit the amount from 0.352 to 0.356 so they can take out that as my network transfer fees. Then we are good to go. I'll click on withdraw from my Binance account. My app right now, it says withdrawal request submitted. Now is 2 p.m. that is 1400, and let's see how many minutes it actually takes before we see money in the account. So I'll just go back to the trading page and we refresh from time to time. So I got a mail from Binance telling me my withdrawal has been successful, so I hope it must have reflected in my pocket option. That was at 14:10, that's 10 minutes after we started the deposit, and I am glad to let you know that right now the money is in the pocket option account. So guys, that is it. Very simple, very straightforward, and very affordable. Let me correct myself. I said initially that it is around $1 as network transfer fee for Litecoin into pocket option, but I guess I was wrong. As you can see on the screen right now, it is just 0.001 LTC, which is about 16 cents, between anything from 10 cents to 20 cents, depending on what time, what date, and what the price of LTC is at the time you are trying to make a deposit. So less than 20 cents for network transfer fee. Then why use Bitcoin that will cost you anything from around $10 to $20 to deposit just $50, depending on your wallet or the app you're using for your Bitcoin storage. Anyway guys, my name is Radio and this is BILBRIDGE. If this video has been really helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up so other people can see the video and improve the channel's algorithm. And if you are new to this channel, this is BILBRIDGE, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to be the first to know when we upload new videos. And on BILBRIDGE, we teach Forex, we teach binary options, we teach everything and every way to make money working from home on the internet. If you want to learn how to trade binary options, the team at BILBRIDGE has put together a playlist for a course, a free course on how to trade and how to use pocket options and how to trade binary options. The link will be in the description of the video. Kindly click on it and watch the videos and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions or you need to know anything or you are having issues with anything at all, kindly use any of the contact information in the description to reach out to me or reach out to the team at BILBRIDGE. Once again, my name is Radio, and this is Billionaire Bridge. Bye.